Good morning. Now we are going to talk about Unit 5, the cell. First one, classification of cell. First, classification of cell. Types of cells. Two types of cells. How many types of cells? Two types of cells. First one, prokaryotic cell. First one, prokaryotic cell. Second one, eukaryotic cell. First one, prokaryotic cell. Second one, eukaryotic cell. So first one, prokaryotic cell. How many types of prokaryotic cell? Two types of prokaryotic cells. First one, bacteria and cyanobacteria. How many types of prokaryotic cell? Two types. First one, bacteria. Second one, cyanobacteria. So what is a eukaryotic cells? How many types of eukaryotic cell? Two types of eukaryotic cells. First one, plant cells. Another one, animal cell. Okay, listen. Listen the topic. First one, what is the cell? First one, what is the cell? Look the picture. Listen. Look the two picture. Okay. Close your eyes and imagine a brick wall. What's the basic building block of the wall? A single brick, of course, like a brick wall. Your body is composed of basic building blocks. Listen. Your body is composed of basic building blocks and are named as cells. Listen. Like a brick wall, your body is composed of basic building blocks and are named as cell. What is the cell? The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of every living organism. The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of every living organism. Okay? The cell is self-sufficient to carry out all the fundamental and essential function of an organism. The cell. What is the cell? The cell is the basic structural and functional unit of every living organism. Okay, the cell. Discovery of the cell. Next one, discovery of the cell. The Englishman Robert Hooke. Who is this discovery of the cell? The Englishman Robert Hooke was a scientist. He is mathematician and inventor. He improved microscope which was used in those days. And built a compound microscope. He placed water lens beside the microscope to focus the light from an oil lamp on specimens to illuminate them brightly, so that he was able to see the minute parts of the objects clearly. Okay. One day, Hooke made thin section of the cork and observed them through his microscope. He observed many small identical chambers which were hexagonal in shape. Listen, how many which shape? Hexagonal in shape. He was surprised. After that, he observed many objects like butterfly wings. Many objects like butterflies' wings, bees, compound eyes, etc. Based on these observations, Hooke published a book named Micrograbia in the year 1665. Listen, Hooke published a book named Micrograbia in the year 1665, where he first used the term cell. He described the structure of disease using the cell. The word cellula means a small chamber. Cellula means a small chamber. The branch of science that deals with the study of cells is called cell biology. The branch of science that deals with the study of cells is called cell biology. The structural organism of the cell. The typical cell consists of three major parts. First one, an outer cell membranes. Yeah, second one, a liquid cytoplasm. Third one, a nucleus. What is the organelles? Analogous to the body internal organ like eyes, heart, lungs, and etc. Organelles are specialized structures and perform valuable functions necessary for normal cellular operations. Many distinct structures called organelles lie within the cell. Next one, size of the cell. The size of cells may vary from a micrometer. Micrometer means a million of a meter. Micrometer means a million of a meter to a few centimeter. Most cells are microscopic and cannot be seen with the naked eye. They can be observed only through the microscope. Smaller size of the cell is present in bacteria. The size of bacteria cell range is 0.01 micrometer to 0.5 micrometer. On the other hand, the larger cell is the egg of an otis with 170 millimeter width. We can see this with the naked eye. In the human body, the nerve cells are believed to the longest cells. Next one, shapes. Cells are different shapes. For example, some shapes are given the below pictures. Nerve cells, red blood cell, muscle cell. Okay. Next one, number. Approximate number of the cells in the human body. 3.7 into 10 to the power 13 or the number of cells present in different organisms may vary. Organism may be either unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular or multicellular. Organisms such as bacteria, amoeba, chlamydomonas, and yeast are unicellular. On the other hand, organisms such as spider, mango, and human beings are multicellular, made up a few hundreds to millions of cells. 3.7 millions cells in the human body. Ranges of cells for small to large, virus, bacteria, plant, egg or human, egg or frog, and egg of hens, and egg of otis. Types of cells, two types of cells, one prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. What is the prokaryotic cells? Prokaryotic cell is a unicellular organism like bacteria has prokaryotic cells. It has no true nucleus. The types of nucleus is called nucleoid. The no nuclear membranes is around the nucleoid. These cells were the first form of life on Earth. It is ranging from 0.03 to 2.0 micrometer in diameter. Essential bacteria. Second one, eukaryotic cell. Cell which has true nucleus is called as eukaryotic cell. It is bigger than prokaryotic cell. It is organelles are bounded by membranes. Plants, animals, most of the fungi and algae. It is eukaryotic cell. Next one, difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, it is diameter ranges from 1 to 2 micron. Eukaryotic cells, its diameter ranges from 10 to 100 micron. Absence of membranes bound organelles. Eukaryotic, presence of membranes bound organelles. Prokaryotic cell, nucleus is not surrounded by nuclear membranes. The true nucleus is surrounded by nuclear membranes. Prokaryotic, absence of nuclei. Eukaryotic, presence of nuclei. Next one, plant cell. Next one, plant cell. Two types of eukaryotic cell, plant cell and animal cell. First one, plant cell. It is usually larger in size. It is hard in nature. Plant cells have a cell wall in addition to the cell membranes. Plant cells have chloroplast which contain chlorophyll. Plant cells have large vacuoles. Centrioles are absent. Next one, animal cell. Next one, animal cells. Animal cells are generally smaller than plant cells. It is not so hard as plant cell. Cell wall is absent. Chloroplast is absent. An animal cell may have many small vacuoles, and centrioles are found in animals. Okay, and three-dimensional cell structure. The above cell show a three-dimensional view. We can see the three sides of the cell structure. You can also view the size, shapes and location on the organelles of the cell. 3D view is appealing because it is more like reality. In 3D view, we can see the entire view of the cell. It discloses the accurate size and shape and shows the correct location of the cell organelles. You see very important question. This components and their function. First one, cell wall. Surrounds and protects the cell. Main function, surrounds and protects the cells and make the cell stiff and strong. Special name, supporter and protector. This one, cell membranes. Holds or protects the cell and controls the movement of materials in and out of the cell. Special name, gate of the cell. Cytoplasm, third one, a watery gel-like material in which cell parts move. Area of movement. Mitochondria produce and supply most of the energy of the cell, power of the cell. Chloroplast contain green pigment chlorophyll, capture the energy of sunlight and use it to produce food for the cell by photosynthesis. Food produces for the cell. 6. Vacuoles store food, water and chemicals. Storage tanks. 7. Nucleus function acts as brain of the cell, regulates and controls of the cell activities. Special name, control center. And the last one, nucleus membranes surrounds and protects the nucleus, control the movement of materials in and out of the nucleus. Last one, special name, gate of the nucleus. Questions. Develop any 5 cell organelles and their functions. Draw a neat label diagram of a prokaryotic cell. Thank you, student. God bless you.